sometimes it is necessary to set a minimum purchase amount in order for our coupons to be used by customers. However, that is something that if not set from the moment the coupon is created, and it takes hours to do it manually since you have to open each coupon and add a minimum purchase amount one by one. That is why we'll show you how to do it in a very easy and fast way using the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin. We will leave the link for you to download the plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to see our written guide. You can set the minimum amount individually directly in the spreadsheet. Just go to the minimum amount column and enter the amounts in for the coupons you want. Finally, click on Save to apply the changes. If you need to edit hundreds or even thousands of coupons, you can do it at once using the bulk editing tool. But before editing the minimum purchase amount, let's filter the coupons by keyword, or by any other advanced search parameter using the search tool. Once the search tool is open, let's enter here the keyword day, but remember that you can use any field to filter your coupons. Once you decide how to search your coupons, click on Run Search. Now let's go ahead and edit the coupons in bulk. First, open the Bulk Edit tool and select to edit the rows from the current search. Now select the field minimum amount. Choose to set the value and enter the amount you'll set here. Finally, just execute and the minimum purchase amount of each filtered coupon will be updated. As you see, using the WP Sheet Editor Coupon Spreadsheet plugin will save you many hours of tedious work, as it has the powerful bulk editing and search tools that make all the work easier for you. Remember that in the video description you will find the links to download the plugin and to see our written guide. We have live chat support and a blog with hundreds of tutorials if you need help. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.